This next song is really fun for me. My dad used to play, and this is one of his favorite songs by James Taylor. But of course, we can't do that. We have to rock it out.
Uh-oh.
It's a version of Fire and Rain by the Badlands. Yesterday morning, they let me know you were gone. Suzanne, the plans they made couldn't into you. Woke up this morning and I wrote down this song. I just can't remember who to send it to. My back turned to the sun.